My name is Benji Kramer. I am the Senior Manager of IT Services at Friedman and Huey Associates. One of my roles is to focus on all of the technology needs and innovation that we have at Friedman and Huey Associates. And I've been doing this for about 7 years and working for the firm for 11. So for the most part, it's been a really positive experience. As mentioned previously about the transformation from that was caused by the pandemic, many of them did not have a printer or a scanner. So sending them paper to print out or sending them things that they needed to print out, sign, and scan back, having SafeSend Returns was a huge plus. And they really saw that as a very forward-thinking and forward-looking program. And I would say that it was great that we were on the road to using this prior to the pandemic. And it was 2020 tax season, the year 2020, so the 2019 tax season was our first tax season with SafeSend Returns. And so it was interesting to see the pre-pandemic part of returns go out and then really see everybody just fully adopt and accept that this was a new normal and that this was a way that firms are going to interact with their clients. And so I think they were happy to have that availability. They were impressed that we were pushing something like that and that we were as prepared as we were going through it. One of the things we noticed, there was some hiccups with clients who were not as tech savvy. They had a lot of questions about how things would work. And so I think that was something that was a little bit of a challenge, specifically with our Mac users and maybe some of our I would say they're people who do their personal returns while at their office, and they ran into some hiccups because their offices have very specific firewalls related to certain websites. And so that was a challenge to train them on the fact that, these are things that you need to do on your personal time and not necessarily at the office. So that was an interesting thing to learn and find out about our clients' personal preferences.